Hello everyone, this is Gabby. Welcome to TYCORUN Battery Classroom. Today I'm going to show you our two popular batteries. They are LFP lithium batteries and semi-solid batteries. So let's see what's the difference between them and which one is better. Now we start with the LFP lithium batteries. LFP lithium battery is the big gun in the new energy field. They have three main advantages. The first one, LFP lithium batteries. First, LFP lithium batteries have extremely long lifespan with over 2,000 cycle life and still performing well after 10 years. Second, LFP batteries is absolutely safe. They will not explode at high temperatures and will not catch the fire when it punctured. It is very suitable for home energy storage and electric vehicles. And third, LFP batteries offer high cost performance. It's suitable for the users who have limited budgets. So now let's move to the semi-solid battery. Semi-solid battery is lightweight and high-efficient battery. They also have three main advantages. The first one, you can see the size. They are more small. They are very light. And in the same capacity of power, it requires smaller volume and lighter weight with high density increase of 30%. The second one, semi-solid batteries can charge very fast and it can eliminating the anxiety of the range. Third one, semi-solid batteries can more resistant in the low temperatures. Even in the very cold place, it can perform very well and degrade less in winter. So how to choose the batteries? This based on your requirements. If you value the safety, durability, and cost, you can choose the LFP batteries, especially in home energy storage and commercial vehicles. If you seek lightweight, fast charger, and long range, for example, in the high-end electric vehicles, you can choose semi-solid batteries. There is no perfect batteries, only the most suitable one. If you're interested in our battery or any type of battery, TYCORUN can tailor a solution for you. Please feel free to contact us. Thank you for listening.